Hi there, and welcome to this, your 90-second highlight reel of the webinar we've just been having, a crash course in system change in healthcare around the world. My name's Richard Taunt.
I'm Anna Howells.
And I'm Angus Ramsey.
And a key reflection which really stood out for me was a point Alan Best made about sometimes in large-scale change, or actually quite a lot of times, we talk a bit too much about leadership and not about the infrastructure and the processes which are equally needed to underpin change. Just having really good leaders to overcome bad systems is probably an incomplete answer to that particular problem. Anna.
Thank you. My key point was around the importance of communications, how this needs to be an ongoing strategy and encompass all the different groups involved, ranging from politicians to frontline staff to the users of health and care.
Thank you. Angus.
And I guess the key thing I took away was the sheer complexity of changes of this kind and the need to understand it from a multifaceted perspective.
Angus, thank you very much. And so we were joined by Christian from the Danish regions, from Alan from British Columbia, both of whom made a very similar closing point, which is change of this size is all about the people. We can think about it as sort of grand ideas and fancy plans, but it comes down to how our frontline people, how is their work going to change? How do you engage? How do you communicate throughout? So if you're looking for 1 to 2 as a memory from the webinar, it's all about the people. It's probably where you want to start. Thanks very much for joining. All further information about this event series is available at learningfromstroke.com. Thank you. Goodbye.